For this one, you're going to need a timing light. So it's got two leads on it, a positive and a negative. If your battery's mounted in the hood, that's great. The battery on this one's mounted in the trunk. So I'm going to hook the positive up to the starter bolt over here, the solenoid, where all your power cables run. And then the negative I'm just going to hook up to ground. Any piece of the car is a ground. And we're going to string it over. Keep it away from the rotating parts. So you got your car all put together and you're ready to fire it off, and you need to check the timing. So your distributor is sort of set, but you got to get it where you want it, right? So we can run it off of the number 4, which is right back here. This hooks up to your timing light, and then we're going to turn the car on. For your initial timing, you're going to want to pull this vacuum tube off and plug the end of this line. You're probably going to have to use a screw or something to plug it because it's vacuum to your carburetor. That way the vacuum advance isn't operating when you're trying to set your initial timing over here. So this is the indicator. The top is 0, 5, and 10. I've got this one set about 12 to 15. Want a little bit more advanced. Factory is 5 for manual and 10 for automatic, or vice versa, something like that. But to adjust it, if it's off, you loosen this bolt on the distributor, this nut, and then you can rotate this, and that will affect your timing, advance and retard, so you can set it. Then when you got it set where you want it, lock it down and then turn the car off. See the flashes? So the pickup gets the signal from the spark plug wire and it turns on the light. And then your timing mark is down here on the front of the motor. The camera's having a hard time picking it up.